Statistic and Probability by Tiaan, Lauren and Teresa.
AusVELS Level 4, Statistics and Probability, Chance. Describe possible everyday events and order their chances of occurring.
WALT. We are learning to sort a group of events based on their chance of occurring. Tip. This is because we are assessing the probability of certain events occurring on a typical school day.
Prior knowledge. Conduct chance experiment, identify and describe possible outcomes and recognise variations in results. Events in a typical school day, typical events that occur at home, exposure to the words unlikely, likely and highly likely.
Mathematical language we are using. Chance, probability, unlikely, likely, highly likely.
Okay, today we're going to be doing our lesson on statistics and probability. Who can put their hand up and tell me what unlikely means? Tiaan.
It's not going to happen.
Fantastic, we went over that yesterday. And who can tell me what likely means? Teresa.
It means it might happen.
Excellent. And how about highly likely? Tiaan.
It definitely will happen.
Fantastic. Now what we have over here is we have a collection of events, and we're going to put these events onto our board under where we think the chances are that they will occur. I will do the first one for you. I'm going to choose wake up. If you have a look, it says wake up and then there's a picture of a girl getting out of bed. So I'm going to put this onto our table. I think this will go under highly likely. Because who can tell me what we do in the morning when our alarm goes off? Teresa?
We wake up and
Fantastic.
get out of bed.
We do. Okay, are there any questions?
I have a question.
Yes, Tiaan.
Those words are too hard for me to read.
I thought that might be the case because they are a little bit tricky. So what I've done is I've got the words here and then I've got the picture of the people doing it. So you can use those to help you. We have a snowstorm, going to McDonald's, yummy, climbing a mountain, going on a plane, going to school, playing sport, brushing our teeth, eating breakfast, going fishing, reading a book, doing maths and going to the football. Tiaan, would you like to start?
Okay. I'm going to choose playing sport.
Good one.
I'm going to put this in highly likely
Tiaan, can you tell me why you put playing sport in highly likely?
because we have sport after lunch today.
Fantastic. Would you like to take it?
I'm going to put snowstorm in highly likely.
I see that. Can you tell me why you put snowstorm in highly likely?
Because the other two were there as well.
Very good, but how many times have you seen snow while you're at school? None. Do you know why? Because it doesn't snow in Melbourne. So do you think it's going to be able to have a snowstorm? No. Where would you move it to?
Unlikely.
Fantastic. Good job. Would you like to come in another turn? You could probably do two if you like.
I'm going to pick the mountain one and put that in likely.
Do you have a mountain at home?
No.
Are there any mountains at school?
No.
So do you think it's likely that you might climb a mountain today?
No.
Okay, where would you like to move it to?
Unlikely.
Fantastic, good job.
And I'm going to choose brush teeth and put that in highly likely.
Fantastic, good job. Teresa, would you like to do two? What one's that one?
Going to McDonald's.
Good one. Likely. Why did you put that one into likely?
Because Mummy has to drive past McDonald's on the way home from school and I hope she stops and get me some.
Fantastic, wishful thinking. I like it. What's that one?
Eat breakfast.
And how come you put it into highly likely?
Because Mummy makes me eat my breakfast every day.
Good. You need to eat your breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day.
I'm choosing going on a plane. And I'm going to put that in unlikely.
Fantastic. Why Why did you put that one into unlikely, Tiaan?
Because I don't go on planes on school days.
Very good.
Another one?
Sure.
Read a book. In highly likely because we always read at school. That's right, you do.
What's that one, Teresa?
Go to the football,
And how can you put it into likely?
because sometimes I go and watch my brother play football
Fantastic.
and train.
Very good. What's that one?
Math
And where did you put it?
and highly likely,
Can you tell me why?
because we're doing maths now.
Very good. You're a clever girl. Tiaan, would you like to come and do the last two?
Sure. Going fishing in likely.
Good.
Because sometimes Dad likes to go fishing after school.
Fantastic. And the lucky last one.
Go to school in highly likely because we always go to school every day. Except for the weekend.
Good job. That's right, we do. You guys did such a fantastic job. Do you think that they're all in the right columns?
Yes.
Yes.
Is there anything that you would change?
I don't think so.
How about you, Teresa?
Sport.
You want to move sport?
Well, we have to do sport today, but I feel sick.
That's okay. You can sit out, but we're still going to do sport today and it's going to stay there.
Okay.
Extension. Identify everyday events where one cannot happen if the others happen. Placing the events on a probability line. Exploring other